fue viendo esta figura o cuando fue hecha. Hay muchas.
Spiders of the sea, little orange guys sticking to the wall there. Right, when the water goes down.
Ahora podemos un poquito más abajo de estos moluscos, ¿lo perciben? Ese tipo de moluscos le llamamos, que son monólogos. ¿Cuántos años tienen?
There they are, hanging out on the buoy.
No hacerle ruido, por favor, se asustan y se van.
Big ones in the buoy, rest are females. Got a harem up there. Green that is. Looks like lettuce leaves.
Tasting of this tour of chocolate something. We'll see.
There you go.
Galletitas de mantequilla. Estas contienen ralladura de limón
Sí, huh?
y ralladura de naranja y bastante mantequilla.
With maybe pecans or something.
Luego se le monta el suspiro.
It's like a dry orange cookie. Kind of like biscotti. Cracker beginning. Caramel cookies I have here. Passion fruit white wine. Oh, they have dark black baby dolls because they're part of their ancestry of the Afro Peruvians, and they give them to each other for good luck. Like sand because it's desert, but it's like petrified into rock, so it doesn't wash away when the waves hit it, but it can crumble and fall, so you can't get too close to the edge. Over there we're going to in a bit is called the Mine Beach because they mine carbon there, and it used to be full of plants, but the sun dried them until they got petrified and turned into rock, and so that rock over there that looks like sand is full of carbon. So stuff here, the fishermen take out and dry in piles, ship it to China, and then they turn it into makeup, and then send it back to Peru as makeup. but definitely rock art. Layers of fossils here too. Fossils from the ocean. I guess it used to be underwater. Oh, water is very cold too. Wow, very cold. So it is winter here almost.